Automation has been a game changer for businesses, helping them enhance efficiency and scalability with minimal human intervention. Think about how robots on assembly lines perform tasks like welding and painting, or how software manages billing and customer support. These automation techniques streamline processes, reduce errors, and boost output, which is crucial in today's competitive markets. For small and medium-sized enterprises, automation is more than just a tool. It's a vital part of staying competitive. It levels the playing field with larger corporations by reducing costs and freeing up resources for growth. As data becomes more integral to business success, automation helps handle and analyze it effectively, offering valuable insights for decision making. However, the landscape is evolving. Traditional automation has built a strong foundation, but the integration of artificial intelligence, AI, takes automation to a whole new level. AI doesn't just automate tasks, it makes systems intelligent and adaptive, providing businesses a chance to significantly boost their operations and innovation. So, what's the difference between traditional automation and AI-driven automation? Traditional methods like rule-based and mechanical systems have their strengths, but also notable limitations. Rule-based systems, common in software applications, work well with predictable, repetitive tasks. For instance, an accounting program might auto-generate invoices when conditions are met, but it can't adapt or learn from new data. Mechanical systems, used in industries like manufacturing, handle high-volume tasks with precision, but are rigid and costly to modify. This is where AI steps in, offering solutions that are flexible, self-improving, and capable of making informed decisions. AI systems adapt to real-time changes by analyzing data, spotting patterns, and making adjustments automatically. They learn over time, optimizing operations to become smarter and more efficient. For SMEs, this means having systems that don't just perform tasks, but also evolve and enhance over time, without constant manual input. AI also dramatically enhances decision making. It processes vast datasets to provide insights that support strategic decisions. This is particularly beneficial for SMEs, giving them the kind of analytical power usually reserved for larger firms. Whether it's improving customer service, managing inventory, or financial analysis, AI brings accuracy and efficiency, allowing SMEs to innovate and compete more effectively. Understanding the differences between traditional and AI-driven automation can guide SMEs in choosing the best path forward. Traditional methods are reliable for repetitive tasks, but lack the adaptability and learning capabilities of AI. AI provides a new dimension of flexibility and efficiency, ideal for dynamic industries where change is constant. For SMEs, AI-driven automation opens up significant competitive advantages. It allows them to better understand market trends and customer behaviors with data-driven analytics. AI tools also enhance customer experiences with personalized marketing and efficient support systems. By automating routine tasks, AI can cut costs, optimize resources, and streamline operations, making businesses leaner and more agile. As SMEs navigate the future of automation, the choice between traditional and AI-driven methods depends on aligning technology with business goals. Consider your industry's needs. If your operations are stable and predictable, traditional automation might suffice. But in dynamic environments requiring adaptability and innovation, AI-driven solutions can offer unmatched benefits. Ultimately, this isn't just a technological choice, but a strategic one. The right approach can enhance efficiency, foster innovation, and ensure competitiveness in a rapidly advancing digital world. By understanding and leveraging the strengths of each type of automation, SMEs can secure their place in the ever-evolving business landscape.